At some point, life didn't defeat you, it drained you. You've been showing up every day on autopilot, doing what's expected, while slowly losing touch with who you really are. The fire that once pushed you forward feels distant, replaced by exhaustion, doubt, and silent frustration. But hear this clearly, nothing is wrong with you. You don't need to become someone new, you need to reclaim the person you left behind. And today, right here, is where that reset begins. You not stuck because you lack motivation. You re-stuck because you re-exhausted from carrying people who keep draining you. Every day feels like a repeat. Same conversations, same negativity, same heaviness the moment you open your eyes. You try to stay positive, you try to push forward, but deep down there's a quiet disappointment in yourself for not feeling like you anymore. And it's not because you're lazy or weak. You're overloaded mentally, emotionally, and silently. This video isn't about becoming heartless or doing more for others. It's about starting over correctly by removing what's poisoning your peace. Let's get one thing clear: resetting your life is not quitting. It's not giving up. And it's not starting from zero. A reset simply means clearing the noise that's been crowding your mind and draining your energy. You don't need more pressure, more plans, or more people telling you what to do. You don't need a brand new life either. You just need a cleaner system, one that protects your peace, supports your growth, and allows you to breathe again. Once you understand this, your mind opens up, and you're finally ready to take the next steps forward. Step 1 starts inside you, not around you. Before you change anything in your life, you have to forgive the version of you that was just trying to survive. The choices you made were not because you were careless. They were made with the strength, awareness, and support you had at that time. Holding on to guilt only keeps you stuck in the past. Let it go. Thank that version of yourself for getting you here, and understand this clearly. You did the best you could with what you knew back then. Now you're allowed to move forward without carrying that weight. Step 2 is about quieting your mind. Too many opinions, too much comparison, and too much outside noise can confuse you and drain your energy. You don't need everyone's advice or approval. Step back, create space, and listen to your own thoughts again. When the noise fades, clarity begins. Step 3 is about choosing your direction. Before you change your habits, decide who you are becoming. Ask yourself, what does the successful version of me do every day, even on hard days? When you focus on identity first, your actions start to align naturally. Take this moment slowly, because the person you choose to become will shape every step that follows. Step 4 is simple. Remove what drains you. Toxic people, endless scrolling, and mental clutter steal your energy every day. Not everything or everyone deserves a place in your life. Clear it out and watch how much lighter and focused you feel. Step 5 is about creating a simple daily rhythm. Wake up, focus on what matters, move your body, and rest well. Small, consistent habits matter more than waiting for motivation. Stick to the routine, and momentum will naturally follow. Step 6 is simple. Start small, but start today. Focus on one promise, one task, one action at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Momentum is built by taking action, not by planning endlessly. Step 7 is about commitment. but not forever, just for the next 30 days. Show up daily, even if it's imperfect. Consistency, not perfection, is what will create real change and set your reset in motion. True success isn't built in a single moment or through dramatic, flashy changes. It's created quietly, almost invisibly, through the small, deliberate choices you make every single day, the decision to protect your energy, the courage to walk away from what drags you down, the commitment to keep showing up even when it's hard. You don't need anyone's permission to reset your life. You don't need a sign, a green light, or approval from anyone. The power to change, to reclaim your peace, and to move toward the life you deserve has always been in your hands. All it takes is one clear decision, to start again, intentionally right now. Now it's your turn. Take a moment and ask yourself, if today was the day you hit reset, what is the very first step you would take? Don't overthink it, just feel it. Write it down, say it out loud, or take action right now. The choice is yours, and the power has always been inside you. Your reset starts the moment you decide. It's that simple.